What's up everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So currently I'm in Manali and from next 2 or 3 days I'll stay in Manali only, and in last 2 days I've taken 3 trades where one trade was a losing trade and in other 2 trades I have booked profit. So I was supposed to upload Q&A video first and I have already recorded that video, but before coming to Manali I forget to share that video to my editor, and that file is way too long and the network connection is not that great here, so I won't be able to upload that video this weekend. So I'm shooting this new video where majority of you were asking me about my trading strategy. So I thought let me explain you all about my trading strategy with the last 3 trades I have taken. So all these 3 trades were taken in a challenge account and I'm not trading my funded account here because you don't know which prop firm will raise IP address issue when you trade in a funded account, and because of that I am trading my challenge account only and not my funded account. And in this video what I'm going to say will offend so many people who trade ICT and SMC, but it is what it is. I genuinely think that ICT and SMC is nothing but new and different name given to the same old basic price action. What you all call break of structure and change of character is nothing but market structure and market structure shift. Now even I don't know whether this name market structure and market structure shift was given by someone who trade ICT SMC or someone who was trading price action. All I care about is this one thing, that even the person who has given this name or even the person who has given all these names were born. There were thousands of people who were trading in the market and who were making millions and billions of dollars even before all these names didn't exist, because market always move in certain pattern. There was demand zone and supply zone, there was support level, there was resistance level. When price come to demand zone or support level, it start moving upward, forming higher high and higher low, and when price reach to certain supply zone or resistance level, it start forming lower low and lower high. And this is exactly what you all call break of structure and change of character, and this is exactly what I call market structure and market structure shift. It's the same thing but 2 different names. And I know people will come and say how great ICT SMC is, but that is exactly why I want to share with you all that even you guys don't know how powerful price action is. It's just that from the very beginning when you start trading, someone has put in your mind that price action won't work in the market and you need ICT SMC and all these complex things to succeed and to become a profitable trader in the market, which is not at all true. All these simple basic things work in the market. The market always move in certain pattern, forming higher high and higher low and lower low and lower high. Market always move from one demand zone to another supply zone, and one supply zone to another demand zone, or one support level to another resistance level, or from one resistance level to another support level. That's it. You can add 20 different things to it and make your own strategy, but once you make your own strategy and once you make your own edge, there are 20 different things which really matter to succeed in the market. And I've talked about all these things in a multiple of my videos, that emotion control, discipline, risk management, money management, your psychology, all these things are way above your technical. Finding your trading strategy and your trading edge is important, but once you find your trading strategy with which you can make consistent profit, you need emotion control, you need risk management, you need discipline, you need all these things to make consistent profit in the market. Even when you find your trading edge or trading strategy, if you don't have emotion control, if you don't have discipline, if you don't know about the risk management, you will never make consistent profit in the market and you always remain a unprofitable trader, no matter whether you trade ICT, SMC or price action. And I told you all that these are nothing but all the terms which were told to you by people to sell you courses, to sell you mentorship. And the person who has developed ICT, SMC and all these concepts has never even won any single competition, and he has lost majority of the trade in his YouTube life. So these are nothing but the new marketing terms. Even when the person who has given all these names were not born, still there were people who were trading in the market who were making millions and billions of dollars. There were institutions, there were hedge funds, there were banks who were continuously trading and making millions and billions of dollars, and still people think that you need all these concepts because it was from the very beginning put in your mind that you need all these concepts. It's like this, that some brand has built his brand image that you need this thing in order to feel good or in order to think that you are superior from other person. Like taking example of the iPhone only, people seriously relate it to superiority, that if someone is using an Android phone and then they think that that person is inferior, and if a person is using iPhone, that person thinks that he is superior to that person. And in my last one and a half year of trading, and in my last 1 year of being on social media, I've seen this thing that all these people who were trading ICT, SMC, they think like they are superior to all those people who were trading price action. I seriously won't lie to you all, majority of the people who are profitable, they are not even on social media. And I know so many people who are not even on social media and they were making literally lakhs and crores of rupees. All those people who are trading basic simple price action. And even majority of the people who are on social media, even those people are trading basic simple price action. And very few people even I have seen on social media, people who were trading ICT, SMC and all these complex concepts and making consistent profit from the market. Even in my Discord there were people who were trading ICT, SMC and they were continuously making losses, and then they switched to basic simple price action, start trading support, resistance, market structure shift, basic trend line, fib levels, and now they have passed Propfirm challenges. Now they are taking payouts from Propfirm. Even the payout is small because the Propfirm account size is small, but earlier they were not even able to pass the Propfirm account. But once they start trading basic simple price action thing, they start passing the account, they start making consistent profit from the Propfirm. So that's exactly what I want to share with you, that you don't need all these complex things. Even I reached to 1.275 billion in funding with basic simple price action and nothing else. I trade basic simple support, resistance plus trend line plus fib level, basic simple strategy of breakout, retest and nothing else. And let me directly take you to the chart to tell me about my last 3 trades and how I made profit in these last 3 trades. So basically, before we move to the chart, I trade basic price action, that when price come to certain support level or demand zone, I look for buy side trade, and I obviously look for higher time frame trends. Like if the trend is down, I will not look for buy side trade. I only look for buy side trade when price reach to certain demand zone or certain support level where the chances of going to the upside is really high. So here is the chart of gold. Let me show you from 1 day time frame. I usually don't trade on 1 day time frame, but I have marked few levels on 1 day time frame. So here is 1 day time frame. The gold was forming higher high and higher low and higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high and lower low. So it was a lower low. I usually don't look for 1 day time frame. I directly go to 1 hour time frame, but let me show you on a 4-minute time frame as well. I marked all these level on 4-hour time frame, then I modify all these level on 1 hour time frame. So these are the level, and this was the uptrend where gold was forming higher high and higher low, and after forming higher high and higher low, it start forming lower low and lower high and lower low and lower high. Now going to 1 hour time frame directly. So the last 3 trades which I have taken was on 13th and 14th of November. The trade was taken based on 15-minute time frame and then going down to 5-minute time frame. So basically on 12th and 13th, the gold was sideways and it was following this trend line. This was the trend line basic thing, and if you see here, the gold has already gone below 2600 level, and that's why I have not considered 2600 as a support level, and that's why I have not taken 2600 as support. It has already crossed 2600 once, then it has again crossed 2600, then it has again come to 2600. Then when finally it comes below 2600, there was this breakout of this trend line, plus there was this retest of this trend line. So on this retest of this trend line, I go down to 5-minute time frame, and I've already told this thing multiple times that I don't look for candle confirmation. As soon as price come to my level, I directly jump into the trade, and as soon as price come to this trend line level, plus there was this horizontal level as well, which was now acting as a resistance, I took a sell side trade where I put my SL to around 50 pips, and it was 1:2.5 risk reward trade where I have captured around 1250 pips. Now the reason why I have kept my take profit here is because the gold has already come to this level before as well, and when you go to 15-minute time frame again, the gold has come to this level, and even before, if you go, and even when you see on a 1 hour time frame, this was a major level, and gold has already taken support from this previous resistance level. So that was the reason of keeping my TP here, where I captured around 125 pips and my SL was 50 pips. And this was simple, very simple breakout and retest trade. I don't look for any complex things. There was this support level which was now acting as resistance level, and as this was the horizontal resistance level, plus there was a breakout and retest of this trend line. So I got 2 confirmation. There was this horizontal level, plus there was this trend line resistance level again. That's the 2 confirmation which I get here, and that's the reason why I took this trade, and I capture 1:2.5 here in this trade. If you have the question, like, I usually consider round level as the support or resistance level in the gold, but when gold previously come to 2600, it has not taken any support. It directly come down to this support level, then again go up, then again come down, and it has again not respected 2600 level. So I saw this thing that gold has not respecting 2600 support level or the psychological support level. When the gold has come down and there was this breakout and retest of this trend line, I took a sell side trade. This was a very simple trade, nothing complex, no 20 bullshit thing I have applied in this trade. Basic breakout and retest trade, that's it. Basic simple on 1 hour time frame. I have marked all these level. Let me zoom out and show it to you all. This was the previous support level, which was here, now acting as a resistance level as well, the horizontal resistance level plus the breakout and retest of this trend line. And the TP, which was here, was this support level, previous support level, and previously it was this resistance level. So basic simple price action, basic simple support level, resistance levels, trend line, and nothing else. And after that I have taken the trade. As I told you that I sometimes trades based on psychological level. So when price come to this 2550 level, I have taken a buy side trade, and this was a loss making trade. I have made a loss in this trade. So let me show you how I made loss here. Going down on a 15-minute time frame, if I show you, the price was again moving in a channel, forming lower low and lower high, and it was moving in a proper channel, which is this one here. If you see, the price has come to this support of this trend line, and it was 2550. Then when price again come to this level, I thought that it has already come to 2550, so it will come again to 2550, will go little bit beyond this level, take liquidity, and then again go up. So I place my trade here with my SL of 50 pip and with the risk reward of not very big, with the basic risk reward of 1:2. But I made a loss in this trade because price has go to around 2536 or 2537 level, and in this trade I made a loss. But again, if you see, this was a basic simple trend line market structure. Market was forming lower low and lower high, come to support level. I took a buy side trade because there was this horizontal support, plus there was this psychological support of 2550, plus there was this trend line support. So I get 3 confirmation here. As per my trading setup, this was a good trade, but eventually I made a loss in this trade. No issue in this, because all these sort of things happen. Sometime you win, sometime you lose, sometime I got even 100% win rate, sometime I got 40% win rate, and when I combine all those things, my win rate come to somewhere around 55, 60 and 65 with the average risk reward of 1:2 or 1:1.5. Yes, I made a loss in this trade. Then when there was this market structure shift, when the market was forming lower low and lower high and lower low and lower high and lower low and lower high, lower low, then when there was this breakout of trend line, and if you see, there was this breakout and then the retest of this trend line. So again I start looking for a buy side trade, and when I see that again the gold was moving in this channel, forming higher high and higher low, but I look for this break of structure or this market structure shift, where I look for this. When gold cross this level, I look for buy side trade, because I already booked one loss here, so I need some sort of confirmation before entering into another buy side trade. So I go down to 5-minute time frame. The market was forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then till this point, market start forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, but it has not broken the previous market structure. The previous lower high was this, and finally here the market has broken this previous lower high, and here market has formed higher, new higher high based on 15-minute time frame. Once this previous lower high was broken, and once market has formed new higher high, and there was this retracement, and then here the price has come to this support of this trend line, plus there was this horizontal support as well, plus there was this proper market structure shift. Now you can see the proper market structure shift, where market was forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It start forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and finally it has broken previous lower high and formed higher high. And when it come to this trend line support plus this horizontal support, plus you can say when it is formed new higher low, I enter into a buy side trade, and again I put my SL to 50 pips and I captured somewhere around 1200 pips again with my risk reward of 1:2.5 something. So I have kept my SL to 50 pips, which was actually a big SL, because as I told that I directly enter into the trade when price come to my level. I don't look for candlestick closure or candlestick confirmation. So the gold has come to this level, and this was the previous lower high plus this support level. But I think that gold might break this trend line, take liquidity based on this support level. So I thought that gold might come down to this level and then start going up, taking liquidity from here. So I put my SL below this level, which was around 50 pip SL, and I booked around 125 pips again, making it to 1:2.5 risk reward trade. And that is exactly how I trade. And it's 15th November today, and since morning I have not taken a single trade because there was no clear structure in the market. The market was sideways almost all the time, then there was a sudden fall, then market again move up, and again it was sideways. And as of now there was literally no clear direction in the market, like where market is exactly want to go. There was this no support level, no demand zone, like there was literally nothing based on which I'll take my trade. So it's 1:15 almost and I have not taken a single trade. So that's exactly how basic my trades are, that basic things I trade, and with this basic things I reached to 1.275 million in funding. I guess after this video you realize this thing, that whenever I say that you don't need all these complex thing and you don't need 20 different strategy, all you need is one mindset, because mindset is one thing which will make you money. And with mindset you need discipline, with mindset you need emotion control, with mindset you need risk management, with mindset you need money management, and all these things. Your trading edge is very small part of your trading. There are so many things which you need apart from this trading strategy or trading edge. That's it. That's all about my trading strategy, and using these simple trading strategy I reached to 1.275 million in funding. And that's it. And with these basic simple strategies I have taken multiple payouts. And to all those people who say I don't share my payout, I genuinely think I have shared very few payouts on YouTube, but go and check out my Instagram. I have made a full highlight section where I have shared almost all the payouts. And I still say this thing, that the number of payout which I have shared in last 6 months only is way more than number of payout which your favorite Instagram or YouTube influencer has shared in his trading career of last 4 or 5 years. So if you want to see my payout certificate, just go and check out on Instagram. And that's it. That's all about my trading strategy. It's very basic market structure plus support level, resistance level, plus trend line, plus sometimes I use fib levels. Like I tell this thing about in my previous YouTube video as well, that I look for 0.5 or 0.618 fib level, especially in gold. But in these last 3 trades I don't use fib level as well, so I didn't share about the fib level, but sometime I use fib level. To summarize it all, I just look for 4-hour time frame in the beginning of the week to see the overall trend. Then on daily basis I look for 1-hour time frame, go down to 15-minute time frame, mark all the level on 1-hour time frame, then go down to 15-minute time frame, modify all those levels, see where the market is heading, where the market structure is forming, whether the trend is downside or upside. That's how basically I trade. Nothing complex, very simple. Price move in a channel, there was breakout and retest of the channel, there was market structure, and there was market structure shift. Sometime I win, sometime I lose. That's why I said that the game of probability, and it's the game of risk management, money management, and other things more than trading strategy and your 100% win rate trading strategy. So yes, to summarize this video, this is basic simple price action trading strategy which I use. Nothing complex in this, and with this I have passed multiple accounts, and with this I have taken multiple payouts. I guess things are clear, and if you have any doubt, comment down your question in the comment section and I'll try to answer all those questions, maybe in the comment section or maybe in the next video. And don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.